What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about while loops. I noticed that if you're working out there in any project, it could be your personal project, or if you're working at work or school, it's really important just to know the basics of while loop. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. While loop. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We are growing slowly but steady. All right, so we're going to start with int variable, so which is going to be I. It's going to be equals to 0, which is going to be the initialization, and then we have the while, which is going to have a condition which is going to be true, like it's telling us right there. And now inside here, so let's just do I less than 10. Okay, or we can just do less equals to 10. And now right here inside the while loop is going to be the block of code that we want to execute. So in this case we want I, and let's not forget that inside here we're going to be incrementing the variable, which is going to be I. It's going to be plus plus. So alright, so they should give us from 0 to 9. If we run the program, that's what it should give us. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we want to make it to 10, we just say equals, and then that should give us all the way to 10, from 0 to 10. So pan right there, we got 10. So now right here also what we can do, we can break it. So if you can just use the if statement. If I, like it says right there, and right here we're going to say the following. If, let's just do 5, I can just break this in 5. Break, let's break it. If I is equals to 5, let's end it, let's break it. So let's do that. So let's run the program, and it should give us 0 1 2 3 4. 5 doesn't show, right, because that's where we broke. So we can just actually do a console right line right here, so we can just know, we can say this is where we broke, pan, and then semicolon, save it, run the program right now again. So that should give us that, and 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, this is where we broke. Yeah, cool, that worked. So the other thing that we can just do is, if I equals to 5, we can just say also this is the number 5, right, and the semicolon, and right here we can just do the I to increment to, so it can give us those numbers that we're looking for. Let's run the program, and it should run it from 0 to 10, and verify it kind of stops, because that's what we said. This is the that's not a stop. What I'm trying to say is that it will print that string that what we did. This is the number 5. Yeah, this is the number 5. Yeah, that worked really good, right? Yeah, that's pretty good about while loop. So now the other thing that we can do is just we can add a user input right here. So let's take a look at that really quick. If we just say console, yeah, let's see, console right there, that right line, semicolon, and right here we can just do a question. So user, let's ask, what word do you want the program to print? What word do you want? No, just to do an example right here before we go do that. So right here we can just say, let's do a string interpolation, which is going to start with dollar sign, quotation marks, and then in here we can just say, in curly brackets we're going to say I right there, we're going to pass that I, and then we're going to say equals, and then right here, what is the word you want to print? Hello. Okay, we're going to print hello 10 times, right? So let's do that. Let's run it, and boom, we got hello 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 10 times. So yeah, cool. So what I'm trying is to get with this, we can also make the hello, we can ask the user about it. So console that, oh come on, get out of there. And like we can just do right here, user input, we're going to say what word, whatever word, we're going to say what word do you want the program to print. Okay, what word do you want to print? Let's just do quotation mark, and then right here we're going to say var word equals console read line. Okay, and now right here we can say another console, and then right here we can just do another string. We can say how many times do you want the word to be printed or executed. So right here we can say and printed equals to, we're going to convert that into 32, and then right here we're going to say console that read line. Okay, cool beans. So right here inside our loop we can say the following right here. So we're going to pass print, so which is going to be the number of times, and then right here we can just pass the word, which is going to be the word right there. The user is going to enter, and yeah, and then right here, should we just get rid of that? Yeah, let's get rid of this for now, or just comment it out. Control C, and then that's it. Let's save it. Let's go ahead and run the program, and let's see what we have. So what word do you want the program to print? So I want to print hello. Okay, so how many times do you want that word to be printed? I want to be 20 times. Let's enter, and then we have 0 1 2 3 4 5 20. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, that's what we have. Let's just have a different word to be printed. Let's just, so I am a tired programmer. Programmer. Let's just do I am a person with dreams. Yeah. And how many times do you want that? 100 times. Let's do that. Boom, we get 100 times. I am a person with dreams. It print 100 times all of this. And then right here we can just enable this. Control K U plus U, and then we can say 26. I can say in 26. This is actually 26 is the date of my birthday. This is the date of the day of my birthday. Okay, you can just run that. So that gets to 26. Oh, what word do you want? I am cool. Yes, I am cool. How many times do you want that? I want that to be 50 times. Boom, 50 times. When you get to the word 26, this is the day of my birthday. Yep. 26, 27, 28. Yeah, that worked really good. So this is how you use while loop, guys. It's really important. You know, this is the basic. So keep on practice, and that will help you to be better at this. Alright guys, have a good night, and thank you for checking the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.